Okay, yeah, we are live. I think we're live. Okay, yeah, we are live. I think. Okay, we are live. Thank you guys for joining. I think that we need something very, very crucial, something very important, something that concerns the market, the crypto market, and the way forward. So we're looking into some vital things. I think that people are hearing me. Please, I want to see some comments on the YouTube channel. If you're hearing me, if you hear my voice, please give me a comment on the on the YouTube chat box. If you hear my voice, give me a comment on the YouTube chat box. I hope everybody is hearing my voice now. I think that we need to proceed. I know there's a delay in relaying voice, which is normal. So we'll be continuing. We'll be doing some things now. We'll be looking at some vital points. Okay, we'll be looking into some certain things now, and we'll be reviewing some tokens that are very much key in what you are doing. I want more persons to join so that we can proceed. I want more persons to join up so we can proceed. For those on COSY Trade groups, Telegram platforms, those on COSY Trade WhatsApp channels or WhatsApp groups, I'll be dropping the link for you all so that you can as well join up from the Zoom, and that is for those who can join from Zoom. Those who can join from Zoom can also join from can also join via YouTube. So any of the means by which you can join us, I'm trying to set up all this so that it will be perfect and to enable everybody follow up. To enable everybody follow up. I'm trying to get the link so that I'm sharing the link now to all the groups and to all platforms so that everybody can follow up and everybody can relate directly to what we are doing here. I've shared this link to all the members or all the persons in COSY Trade. I've shared this link to everybody. I believe that you all have gotten the link and you'll be joining either on YouTube on or via Zoom. Anyone that seems important to you can join up from there. Anyone that you think that you can join from, it's up to you to join now. So we are live and we are direct. So everyone should join now. Let's give some time for individuals who want to join up, or those who haven't gotten information so that they can participate.
Ache, Murua Kanyama. Arusha nuka kule.
Kalau kalian kan
Okay, what's up, guys? Yeah, today we'll be looking at some very important things in cryptocurrency and the trading things and things you ought to know and things you need to, comprehend in this crypto space. And it also guide your understanding of what we're expecting from the crypto space. I think that this will not be financial advice, but it will be more like a guide to enabling you follow up and appreciate what is expected to happen within the crypto space. So remember, okay, let me repeat again. This is not a financial advice; it's a guide. So we're looking into some vital things that I think are vital within this space, and it would enable everybody to progress and understand the trend we are in and follow up the trend. So please, I don't know those who are on YouTube watching. I don't know if my voice is coming out clear. Please, if my voice is coming out clear on YouTube, indicate on the chat box. If my voice is coming out clear on Zoom, indicate on the chat box. So I know that everybody is on the same page with me. If my voice is coming out clear, indicate on the chat box on YouTube or via Zoom. I don't know if my voice is coming out clear. I need indications. I need indications. I need indication from the different platforms to know if my voice is coming out clear. So today we got a news on coingate.com about this should be a bullish news. This should be a bullish news for cryptocurrency. This is a bullish news. Visa plans to make crypto more usable than any other currency. This actually a very bullish news. I will know that Visa is actually a reputable company, is a national company that actually deals on money remittances and the rest. So it has a very huge customer base and it has a lot of function. It has solutions that it's giving or is rendering to the financial community. So this another headline in brief: Visa reveals customers spent over $1 billion in crypto on their network. I said Visa reveals that its customers, only Visa customers, spent over $1 billion in crypto on their network. This is only Visa. This is only Visa. Now, Visa CEO said cryptocurrency could disrupt the 18 trillion consumer spending market. This is more like a prediction for them. This is a prediction for them. So this is actually bullish. So let's just go through the news and see what's up within the content. We see Visa, the centralized payment processing giant, reviewed crypto transactions for its linked cards have exceeded $1 billion. $1 billion. That means that Visa, remember last year, I told you guys that Visa have enabled payments of cryptocurrencies via their platform. And today say that the crypto transaction that people do have exceeded over $1 billion, as we all can see here. In the first 2 quarters of 2021, the payment processing giant offers crypto spending facilities through its cards in association with Coinbase, Cycle, and BlockFi. The payment processing giant reviewed the year-on-year crypto spending on the Visa network has seen a massive jump. That means that the processing of cryptocurrency via Visa have exceeded their expectation. It's one of the most viable, currencies that are being transacted on their platform. So it extends their limit. That is why they have to, set in plans to make crypto more usable than other currencies. So the CEO of Visa, Vasant Prabhu, said they want to make crypto one of the most usable forms of currency in the coming years. So this is a very, very bullish news for cryptocurrency, my people. It's a very huge news for cryptocurrency. You would not like to miss. As I've told everybody that this is the period to engage more in cryptocurrency. This is the period to be part of the crypto space. This is the time to buy the dip. This is the time to engage. Now look at some quotes within the content of this article. We are doing a lot to create an ecosystem that makes cryptocurrency more usable and more like any other currency. Now, this is from the CFO of Visa. The payment processing giant has partnered with several crypto business across the world to make it convenient for people to spend their crypto holdings at places where Visa is accepted. Now, we know that Visa is a very, very big company, it's a multi-billion company, and we know that they have a very huge customer base. So imagine when they approve this or when they make crypto more usable than other currencies, what would predictably be the fate of what Bitcoin? I think we have hit the point in this article. We have actually, gotten the main concept or the idea behind this article or the concept of this article. So this is one of the bullish news that everybody needs to get into this course. This was published 7 hours ago. This is actually published 7 hours ago. So let's look into some vital things that we need to understand within this crypto space. We need to understand. Let's know what's up with Bitcoin. Let's know what's up happening behind Bitcoin. Let's understand what is on board, what we need to understand within the crypto space. Let's know what we need to answer. Please, if you are hearing my voice, let me know on the chat box that my voice is coming out clear to you. If my voice is clear to you, let me know on the chat box as we progress. So let's look at some on-chain analysis of Bitcoin. Let's look at some of the on-chain analysis of Bitcoin and see what's up behind the scenes with Bitcoin. What's up with what is happening in the Bitcoin space, with what is happening in the crypto space. So we're going to be looking into some. Okay, thank you, Oniga, Another say that my voice is coming out clear. I don't know those on YouTube if they can also hear my voice. Those on YouTube, if they can also hear my voice, please somebody should also help us to verify that if those on YouTube can hear my voice. So let's progress with the on-chain analysis of Bitcoin. As I told you guys some days ago, that there are a lot of accumulation happening on a daily basis with Bitcoin. We're on Glassnode Studios, so we'll be looking into some addresses that are accumulating um, balances that are greater than 10,000 BTC. We are going to look into some of the addresses that are accumulating up to 10,000 BTC. So let's check. This is ranging from the third day of January 2009 to today, which is the seventh day. Sorry, this is 1st of March 2019, and today, which is the 6th of July 2020. Okay, we need to extend this. We need to change the date. We need to change the date to be up to date. Okay, this is 2020. Let's go to 2021. This is 2021. We need to be accurate. We need to be 100% accurate. So this is today. Okay, let's check the recent dates. Let's check the recent dates. I'm going to be seriously accurate on this. July. Okay, let's run this. Okay. Okay. This my account is not upgraded. That's why it can't show me the latest updates. Okay. I know the reason why. Let's check. This one is on T2. This Glassnode Studio is not up to date. So maybe they have changed the policies before we can see that of. Okay, let's check active addresses. Let's check active addresses. So what you need to understand on this glass node is that the orange lines that are seen are for addresses. They indicate what addresses. The orange lines that are seen indicate what addresses. Why the gray line that you're seeing here indicates what the price of USDT or for Bitcoin in this case. So this is the number of addresses and this is the price. So my bad, this is not showing me, it's not giving me the right data that I want. It's not giving me the right data that I want. This account is new and I did not upgrade the plan. Okay. So let's actually move on to the next thing. Let's move to the next thing. This account is not upgraded. Okay, let's make some analysis on a coin called Kava. A coin called Kava. I just brought up this coin now for us to look into it. This is the coin market cap, and this is the chart of this coin Kava. You want to look into it now and see if it has potential, if it has use cases, if the fundamentals are actually strong, if it's a coin to buy and hold and take profit, or if it's a coin or if it's a shit coin. So all this will guide our thinking on how to invest, if we can invest in it or if we should not invest in it. So this is a very important session we need to look into. Need to look into this. going to look into this. Okay, now this is on CoinMarketCap. You're on CoinMarketCap here. We're looking at Kava.io. Um, I'm seeing only one indication. I don't know if others are still following up. I don't know if only Oniga said that my voice is clear. I don't know if others are getting me clearly. If my voice is coming out clear to them, please indicate on the chat box. If my voice is coming out clear, indicate on the chat box. Very important. If my voice is coming out clear to you, indicate on the chat box. As we proceed, very, very important, very, very crucial. So we're looking into some important things here about Kava.io, this the token Kava, to know if this is a very good coin to buy and hold. There's a chart. There's a chart of Kava, but we're looking into it. Let's look into some tokenomics and understand. We have, let's check this, the circulating supply of this token, the total supply of this token. We have the market cap to be up to 31 $341,556,742. This is the market cap cover, and the free market cap is over $600 million. We see the 24 hours volume here, $61 million. You see that it changes because of the price movement. So we have here the total value locked is this TVL. We have, where is the circulating supply? This is the circulating supply of Kava. We have 70,172,142 Kava tokens in circulation. I will not have to explain what market circulation is all about. You all have to, by now, I believe that everybody must have understood what circulating supply is all about. And here we are looking at the, and here we are looking at we have over 137 million coins in circulation, okay, as total supply. So let's check some vital things about this token. Let's check some important things about this token. We can also get the white paper here to look at it at the same time. We're going to do some analysis on this token to know if it's going to be a viable token or not. So this is the current price of Kava here. That is 4.87 USD. That's the price of Kava here. We have, let's check the all-time high and all-time low. Let's check the all-time high of this token and the all-time low. Let's check the highest price. All-time high is more like the highest price that it has gone, and all-time low is the lowest price that it has been. So all-time low of this token here is 0.8 USD. 0.8 USD. That was a year ago, March 3rd, 2018, 2020. That's a year ago, and it has done over 1,530.52% from its all-time low. And here we're looking at this all-time, which was April 6th, 3 months ago. That was during the bull run. It went up to 8.2 USD, and now presently is now 50%, above 50% lower than from its all-time high. So these are some of the tokenomics that we're going to be looking into. We have actually looked into. So it has a large circulating. Okay, well, it's not that large for the circulating supply. Okay, but the market volume is quite high. It's quite high. I think it's ranked. How many? What's the ranking? 122 in the coin market cap rank. So we're going to be looking into how scalable this coin is, or will be, or can be, and also we'll be looking into if it's a proof of work or proof of stake. We'll also be looking into the team involved. We're looking into this coin deeply. I want everybody to follow me up, please. If you haven't shared this link, do where to share it. I'm still waiting for confirmation from people on the YouTube channel. If my voice is coming out clear on the YouTube channel, I'm not sure about that. Please, somebody on the Zoom should help us check out from the YouTube if my voice is coming out clear on that end. I need a response from me, guys. Okay, yeah, let's proceed on this. So this is the Kava website. We're going to be looking into some of the things we need to, carry home from Kava token. I know that there's a delay, relaying the voice to YouTube, which is understandable, but let's proceed. Let's look into Kava. Kava is the most trusted DeFi platform by financial institutions. It says the most trusted DeFi platforms on financial institutions. Okay, securely access to a robust suite of DeFi products and services in one of the safe, seamless integration. So we'll explain this as we progress. Let's check if this token is scalable and if it has a very strong use case, and if the these are actually fundamentals, but we're going to check all these facts to know if these tokens are, scalable and, it's worth investing in. So as I repeat, as I said earlier, this is not a financial advice. This is more like a guide to you all. So let's look into the white paper first. Let's consider the white paper. Let's look into the white paper. Let's look into the white paper to understand, because this white paper consists of the developers' idea, the developers' thinking, their understanding, and also whatsoever they want the project to be like. This is where they, table it out so that investors can understand, and if they find it fit, they can buy into it. So we want to look into the problem that this token is going to solve. We also look into how big is this problem. Is this problem really what people need, or is this problem really what needs to be fixed in the crypto space? All these things will guide our thinking and also make us understand if this token would be, having much more persons in it. So DeFi for crypto, leverage assets with Kava cross-chain CDP platform. So let's roll into this. Okay. Now this is a white paper we're looking into. Okay. This legal disclaimer, that's not what we are looking at. Okay, let's check. Lending is the only DeFi category with significant traction. The Maker's CDP lending system is clear winner currently. Maker supports only Ether today. and we're only able to support ERC20, including WBTC. Maker has 2% of Ethereum locked up totaling $300 million plus in collateralized assets. The Maker market is worth $500 million. So let us get some points here. Let us look into this, just an overview of the DeFi landscape. So that means that Kava is bringing a solution to the DeFi industry, to the DeFi crypto industry. Um, okay, create the first dedicated DeFi platform. Okay. So what they're saying is that Kava, the opportunity in Kava is that to create the first dedicated DeFi platform offering collateralized loan and stable coins for the major crypto assets. I hope that everybody is, you know, um, current with what DeFi is all about, or you're updated. If you are not, please go and visit any of our previous videos that have discussed and talked about DeFi. So let's go ahead and serve the greater crypto community, offering decentralized leverage and stability to users of major crypto assets like BTC, Ripple, BNB, and Atom. Be first to market. Be first to market. Build on the Cosmos SDK. Kava is able to build and iterate more quickly than existing DeFi solution. Become the DeFi. Let's just move ahead. This is more like opportunity cover, but let's get some points here. Okay, here we are. What is Kava? A DeFi platform for crypto assets. Kava is more like a DeFi platform. That's DeFi means decentralized finance. What DeFi actually? Okay, let me just explain what DeFi is. DeFi is decentralized finance. Now, what DeFi is actually doing is that is bringing up everything that is in the traditional finance or our day-to-day finance world to the blockchain. That's just the main concept of DeFi. Is bringing whatsoever we are doing or whatsoever activity that is being carried out in the traditional or the local financial world into DeFi. That is say is trying sorry into what blockchain. That's say is trying to decentralize. It's trying to what decentralize the method of what is happening in the traditional financial institutions. What is it trying to decentralize? Now, this decentralization means that it's trying to remove the presence of third party and remove centralized authorities to make you and to make what's it called to make transactions and financial activities scam proof, and also to help in making financial activities and transactions to be transparent. Is bringing what transparency, because that's the core basics, that's the core fundamental, that's the core that's the core thing that the blockchain technology is bringing to us. So I've actually, break down or brought down what DeFi is all about. So let's get this on. So it's a DeFi platform. In DeFi platform, it offers lending, it offers borrowing, it offers several things. In fact, the DeFi platform, the DeFi ecosystem is have come to disrupt many things in the crypto industry. It's trying to bring the traditional ways of doing things into the. In fact, it's trying to bring everything into the cryptocurrency or into a blockchain. So, what's see the core basics or core things that Kava is bringing into the blockchain, or what is going to offer. Now is bringing in so the platform for crypto assets, uh, multi-collateral debt position. The platform accepts crypto assets as collateral like BTC, Ripple, and Atom. That means that Kava enables you to accept collaterals. That means that you can borrow and then also deposit it offers lending and borrowing. So that means, for you to see collateral here, that means that there must be what? Borrowing. So it's said that it accepts collateral like BTC, repo, and Atom. So self-issuance loan, issues loan. It helps you to issue loan to yourself. It helps you to what? Issue loans to yourself. It helps in self-issuance of loans. um, Users can instruct the platform to issue loans to themselves, no counterparty or credit score needed. So that means that there's a smart contract here that enables the issuance of this loan. And let's check Kava. It should be an Ethereum based token. Okay, it's a BSC based token. It's actually BSC based. So creates a stable coin. The loans are used to you are issued to the what user in a USD peg stable coin called USDX. So there's what loans are actually it enables the issuance of loans on what stable coins. That is their own um stable coin is called USDX. So that means that it helps in creating stable coins. So this is that means that number one, it's a multi-collateral debt position. It helps in self-issuance of loans, create a stablecoin. So we want to look into if this are actually what we need in the crypto space, or if these are what and how big is this problem, and how big is this going to solve the problems within the crypto space. So here we are. Let's go to the next slide. How it works. You deposit crypto, you create CDP. So this is just more like how it works, maybe how you can take loans from take crypto loans on what Kava platform. This is how you work and take what crypto loans on Kava platform. Let's check this token. We have here 100 million initial Kava supply. Staking reward. That means you can also stake on this. You can also perform staking activities on this. Earn fees from CDPs, validator commissions. Okay, so that means that there's also a staking function on Kava. Okay, okay, let's move on to the next. So this is also one of the key things that we're looking at here. The partners, ecosystem partners. We have Repo, Cosmos, Stake with us, Air Ventures. These are more like the partners within the words. Those who are partnering with what Kava. So they have major. Kava is a very big cryptocurrency have that have a very strong solution, a use case. Cosmotation. This is a wallet of Cosmos token, and some other companies. So they said, and many others. So that means they have strong partners. So this is the roadmap. This is one of the vital things we need to also look into. This is the roadmap here. This is the roadmap. We have okay, quarter first quarter of 2019 live test. This roadmap, is it updated? Okay, maybe we'll actually check it up in the next page. Validator on Validator on what? On board. Mainnet launch. That was 2019. This is the 2019 roadmap. Let's see the future roadmap. Oh, we are not seeing the future roadmap. Don't know if they have updated their roadmap. So as you can see, it has a very strong use case. So staking, borrowing, lending is actually one of the moving industries in the crypto space, and it's actually solving a lot of problems it's bringing solutions. It's bringing what solutions within this crypto space. It's bringing a lot of solutions within this crypto space. So I think that Kava. Okay, let's look into the problem. Is really what we need to fix is bringing a lot of. Okay, we have actually checked the tokenomics. So we need to check who are the team of this cover, who are the team. Let's check the website. We want to check how experienced they are. We're also going to check how relevant is their experience. So we want to check how relevant is the experience. We want to check, and Kava also have other products as well, a fully integrated suite of financial products. This is what made me to look into this token, this hard protocol, Kava Swap. That means that they are going to be launching, or maybe they have their own desk platform as well, Kava Swap, Robo Advisor. So this token has serious use case. It has serious use case. So I think that is a very good project. That's my own, subjective thinking. Uh, so let's check if we can see their team. Those were the team behind this: lend, borrow, and exchange, invest, price references. So you can lend, you can borrow, you can earn other proof of stake. So let's check. This is your community. I don't want to see the community, it's not mine. I want to check their team. Where their team? Where the team of this? Let's check their team and experience. This is the developers need their team. We're not seeing that team. Where can we get their team here? For those joining now, I hope you guys are hearing my voice. Those who are joining now, don't know if they can hear my voice. See careers over here. Let's check to see if we can get their team on the dock. I'm not seeing their team. We couldn't find their team on the dock here. We couldn't find their team on the dock. I don't know why. We could not find their team. They did not put their team on the dock. So I'm still looking for their team to know the background of their team and what they have accomplished so far. Let's check up on their team, guys. Let's check up on their team. Let's check up on their team. Okay, let's check the documentation and see. Okay. You see that this guy couldn't make their team visible or what? Let's hope we can see them. Let's hope we can see them. This their you can visit their Twitter if it is an active one. We still check that. The Telegram if it is a very big, if it's a viable one. Let's check their Telegram channel. if it's a viable one. And that would also have to look at that as well to check if it's a viable one, to see how we can get in touch with the team. Okay, I think we need to view their Telegram to see whether you can see this. So this is the Telegram channel. Kava is built using, okay. They have a vibrant Telegram channel. Yeah, their Telegram channel vibrant. It's actually vibrant. So I think that the admins actually responsive. This is most of their pin posts. Let's look into most of their pin posts here and see what they have to offer. They are making serious updates here. As you can see, their updates are good. Your last update was when today 7:50, 7:55. Is it today? July 7th, yesterday. So Kava technology stack. Kava is built using the Cosmos SDK. So this is the Cosmotation. Oh, they're actually implementing some stuff to their system. That's very nice. That's very nice. So their Telegram is actually active, but I want to see their team. I want to get to know the background of their team, which is very, very good, which is very key. Which is key. So this actually most of the growing DeFi communities, those platforms that are implementing DeFi to their systems. Let's look. They're actually creating opportunities for people to improve on their existing technology. That's very cool. That's very, very cool. So in my opinion, with what I have done on my own and what I'm seeing now is actually cool. So those who wants to purchase this is most of their product. This hard protocol. I know that last year I think I engaged in it. It did very well last year. The price movement, cross-chain money market. So this token is actually um, providing serious. It has a very good use cases and it has underlying products as well that are doing well. This Kava swap. I know that is a DEX platform. I don't know if they have implemented it already. I don't know if it is actually being used now. Hard protocol did serious price shoots as of when the bull run took place. Stablecoin loans second is also providing cross-chain money market. Wow, this is very, very nice. Cross-chain money market. Swap cross-chain assets. This is crazy, man. They are providing a lot of a very, 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 very sought after use cases. Their use case is actually okay. See our people here, our culture, about Kava, our culture. Um, we have a diverse set of background skills and culture, but we are all united in our passion about building new open financial infrastructure together so that our efforts will make a real impact and create lasting change in the world. Need to get the details of these guys. I don't know how to. We need to get these details, guys. We need to get the details. We need to get the details, developers. I don't need this documentation. We need to get the details. Let's use Kava Swap. A liquidity hub bridging the five blockchains on financial services. These these guys are really doing providing serious stuffs here. You can even deposit and earn as well. This really good. So let's look into how we can maybe or you can find out the team. Let's look into how you can buy this token. This is on market cap, so we'll go to market to see where and how we can buy this token, which are very key. Which are very key. This is actually listed on how many wow many exchanges. You can buy it on Binance, Hobby Global, Kraken, Gate.io, Crypto.exchange, Ascendix, CoinDCX, Upbit, X.com, Flybit, Sex.io, ConX. You can buy it on several exchanges. Wow, their prices are almost same on different exchanges. That means their volumes, they have high rate of volume. You know that the DeFi ecosystem. Wow, if you buy here, you can do some arbitrage, buying at this exchange and maybe selling on Binance. Maybe if they accept, if you buy at this exchange here, 2.55 USD, their volume is actually low, their confidence level is actually low. It's actually low. It's low 2.5. If they allow you to transfer to Binance or to Upbit exchange, they're still at $5. You're looking almost 50%, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a very good token. I think I will buy into this token and hold. They are offering serious. They are offering serious. What will I call it? They are offering serious they are bringing solution. They are offering serious solution to the ecosystem, to the DeFi ecosystem, most especially lending, staking, borrowing. This is this is a very serious um, solution that is being sought out for in the cryptocurrency industry because DeFi is actually trying to destroy what is happening. It's trying to bring what is happening in the traditional financial institution towards blockchain. So people are not buying into. In fact, banks would. I'm actually seeing banks even implementing the blockchain system into what they are doing, and DeFi must be part of it. So imagine when Kava is being the technology of Kava or what Kava is doing is being adopted by several institutions. Man, this will be crazy. This will be really crazy. So this is actually my own observation, and what you're seeing here is actually a good token. But my disappointment is I've not seen their what's it called? I've not seen their team. Don't know how I can get in touch with their team, and then let's look at the balance. So guys, I think here we'll be calling it. We'll be winding down here. I hope that I have relay some important information to everybody tonight. So I will be doing several live streams on Facebook where I'll be doing some coin review, more detailed coin review on some tokens, and also be looking into vital key points. Vital key points. So thank you guys for joining and do have a lovely day. Thank you.